Okay na.
Starting assignment 4, we have number 6. H of x is equal to 2e raised to x over 4e raised to x plus 3. We're going to use closing rule. We're going to equation d of x times f prime of x minus f of x times d of g prime of x over g of x squared. Una, hanapin muna natin yung derivative ng ating f of x at g of x. So let f of x be 2x raised to 2e raised to x. Derivative of 2e raised to x is 2e raised to x. And the derivative of 4e raised to x plus 3 is 4e raised to x. Substituting our value, we have 4e raised to x plus 3 times 2e raised to x minus 2e raised to x times 4e raised to x over 4e raised to x plus 3 squared. 2e raised to x times 4e raised to x is 8e raised to x raised to 2x and x 2e raised to x times 3 is 6e raised to x and break down minus 2e raised to x times 4e raised to x is 8e raised to 2x. Distribute the negative value by side to 8. Positive 8e raised to 2x magiging 8e raised to x plus 6e raised to x minus 8e raised to 2x. Makakancel na natin yung positive 8e raised to 2x and negative 8e raised to 2x. So our final answer is h prime of x is equal to 8e raised to x over 4e raised to x plus 3 squared.
Okay.